this is a really big screen on the Pfaff Creative icon, there's times where you need to kind of zoom in or zoom out to get an idea of how big a design is it going to fit, or just to be able to zoom in and zoom out. So there's a couple ways that you can do this. Number one, if you take two fingers on screen and squeeze together, you can zoom out and see the whole hoop area that you've selected. You can also come into Edit Design and use the zooming tools. Now you can go ahead and zoom in. All right, that's one way. You can zoom to the hoop if you touch the picture of the hoop. You can zoom to the picture of the design. But as you go in, you can zoom in and you can go right into the whole entire, there we go, into the middle of the design, and even find exactly which stitch that you're looking for. Now remember to kind of get back out to kind of see where you started. You remember you can zoom, and then you can also zoom all the way with the minus sign so you could see even further. Now if your design is outside the hoop, this is my favorite function where it pops it back to the inside so it's no longer red around the edge, meaning something's sticking out. I can always pop it back in, and then I can kind of come in and find what I'm working with on screen. So practice with your zooming features. We'll do a lot of extra zooming when we go over to the precise positioning world, where that will allow you to kind of hoop your fabric crooked. Then we'll zoom in on a point, pick the point we want, pick a place on the hoop we want it to stitch, and allows you to tweak the design to the fabric instead of struggling for minutes trying to get your fabric hooped straight. So we'll revisit zooming over in that feature coming up soon.